guess it'll be a review with Charlie's Adventures. And today I've got a package here that I ordered. I kept getting pop-ups when I'd be on Facebook or searching or YouTube or whatever. I kept getting pop-ups for this, and I guess they finally got me. I was going to try it out and see. It's Slick Products. They're multi-purpose shining protectant. I got a microfiber wash mitten here, microfiber towel. Another one, microfiber towel. I'm getting, I'm getting that. Then it looks like there's a spray bottle, off-road wash, pressure washer foam cannon, scrub brush, Slick Products, and then cleaner and degreaser. Another box, I think, of that Shine and Protect. Got some Slick Product stickers there. A thank you card. Thank you for choosing Slick Products. And I guess this is a booklet. Say hello to your new favorite product. I guess this is telling you what you can do with it now. Share your shine. I guess they're wanting you to share on their web page or on their Facebook page. But anyway, I've got a total of 4 of this multi-surface shine and protectant. And then here where I took this can out, it says 1. This is exciting. There's a first time for everything, so stop and enjoy the excitement you feel right now. And then up here it says feeling good is more important than looking good, but a nice shine definitely helps. I don't know, I figured I would, since, you know, I guess there was some mixed reviews. Some people said the foam cannon didn't work like it was supposed to and all. And I didn't buy it for the longest. And then I finally, here a while back, I decided that I would order it and just give it a shot, you know. I guess this spray nozzle goes in this degreaser, I'm assuming. I don't know for sure. Got like a pipe plug. Oh, it smells good. I'm assuming that's kind of no. Yeah, I guess it does go on that. The tube on that was a little long, but I guess it's for different size bottles. Let's see here, right here's this foam cannon that goes on the pressure washer. It's got a bottle. This feels like a well, that's pretty hefty there. That's, I guess, the spray gun part of it. feels like a silicone hose. Okay, it's pretty straightforward here. Put this hose on the bottom of that. Then that screws on to that. Oh, and yeah, you can screw this nozzle a wide fan or a narrow fan on the end, and then this top knob at your valve, it turns it on and off. That's pretty nice. You can adjust the fan pattern, and as far as I understand, you put this off-road wash in it. Biodegradable, ATV, dirt bike, off-road truck, and more. Attacks dirt and mud, safe on surfaces, won't strip, lubrication. Well, that's pretty cool. So I'll have to do some reading to know how much of this concentrate that we put, and yeah, here's another thing. You all can see that, made in the USA. Boy, you don't see that very often anymore. And I'm all about the USA. I could be better at it, but I like seeing made in the USA on things. That's for sure. And I'll have to do some reading on this. I'm sure it's going to tell you how much of that wash to put in here, you know, to what they recommend to spray it on. Let's see here. Attach the clear siphon straw to the brass nipple connector found on bottom of the tank holder. I did that. Fill 3/4 of the canister with water and add concentrated soap according to ratio. Carefully attach full canister to the tank holder and securely tighten. Attach to any pressure washer wand containing the 1/4-inch quick connect adapter. Adjust the top dial on foam cannon for desired ratio. Okay, so that right there, that controls how much soap you're getting through it. A lot or not a lot. So that right there may be some of the things that other people I read reviews on this foam cannon, and I think actually it wasn't the one for the pressure washer that I saw the bad reviews on. I think it was the one for the just the water hose, the garden hose. Said it didn't really put as much soap on as what it showed on the commercials. But and then adjust the top dial on foam cannon for desired ratio. Rotate front nozzle of foam cannon to adjust desired width of spray. So that controls the, like I said, the fan pattern. Soap mixing instructions. Results vary due to soap ratio and the dial setting. If using Slick Products brand, we recommend filling the tank about 3/4 with water and adding 4 to 8 ounces of concentrated soap. Adjust the dial for desired result of foam consistency. Alternatively, you may add concentrated soap to the tank without water and just dial for desired result. Dilution setting. And it's just telling you Counterclockwise, less foam. Clockwise, more foam. And then it's got a part breakdown of the parts on it. Check one of these microfiber tiles out. Wow, boy, it's thick. It's got a black side and a green side. Feels good, and it's thick. That thing's like a 1/4 inch thick. Wow, it feels real good. I guess here, if the weather fire up a little bit, I'll try this stuff out. This is the microfiber wash mitten. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I've had a few of these before from other places. I'm not going to say it is or isn't any better than the ones that you can buy at the store. But it feels good. Then you've got the brush, I guess, for cleaning hard to get spots, maybe your wheels, around the frame, you know, just wherever. There again, Slick Products. And this is the greaser, cleaner and degreaser. Target dirt, oil, grime, and more. Directions for use. Shake well prior to use. Apply the solution to dirty surfaces and allow the solution to soak for 30 to 60 seconds without drying. Apply again and agitate with a non-scratch brush. I guess that's where that comes in. Rinse surfaces using a pressurized water source or wipe surfaces well with a clean wet towel. Dry with a clean microfiber towel and repeat steps if necessary for areas you may have missed. Note, always spot test on a small hidden surface area to check for product compatibility prior to use. Ready to use formula. And then you've got this multi-surface shining protectant. Shines and renews surfaces, protects against corrosion, reduces mud adhesion. Made in the USA. Directions for use. Shake well before using. Clean and dry surfaces prior to applications. Hold can approximately 5 to 10 inches away and push down on the actuator to activate the spray. Apply an even coat directly onto surface and allow product to disperse and absorb for at least 1 minute. For a wet, high gloss appearance, do not wipe down. Alternatively, product may be wiped down or lightly buffed into surface. And then again, it's warning you about doing the spot check. 13-ounce cans. I got 4 of those. I got this kit, I don't even remember what I paid for it, but you could buy, I think, these single bottles and the brush and the microfiber wash and 1 towel, and then I bought an extra towel and the 3-pack of the Shine and Protectant. and the off-road wash. We already know what we do with it. We put it in this spray cannon if you're using one. Well, these come with like a pipe plug in them instead of you know, the normal aluminum seal. I'm just gonna get a smell of this, see what it smells like. Yeah, it smells okay. This degreaser smells pretty good. But anyway, that's what we got coming. I want to do a review on this. It's just I'm gonna have to wait until the weather fires up. And side by side's dirty right now. Got mud on it. I've been doing these cameras, trying to get the solar panel camera to work and all that. And, I've been working on that. I'm waiting on some new parts to come in for the DIY solar panel. And they sent a sticker card. That's pretty cool. But anyway, I guess that about does the unboxing of this Slick Products. And like I said, I'll do the review on it as when the weather fires up. And until then, we'll see you the next time.